Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to use Wisecard overseas. Now if you don't already have the app, go ahead and install this in your App Store or your Google Play Store. Or just go ahead and log into your browser and then go into wise.com. Now for us to go ahead and use the Wisecard overseas, we need to make sure that we have the Wisecard itself. So this can be either a virtual card or a physical card. If you want to know how to get the Wise virtual card, you can go ahead and take a look at another video that we have posted in this channel. Now let's go into the tutorial itself. So let's just go ahead and open up the Wisecard right here. And then for us to go ahead and use the Wisecard overseas, first thing is we need to go ahead and open the currency to where we are going. So say for example, I am currently living in Great Britain. So that means that all of my currencies are in pounds, but we can also go ahead and set up the currencies in euros. If it is on a different country, all you need to do is just go ahead and open right here, and then you can go ahead and click on a balance right here, and then you can just go ahead and choose any currencies available to you depending on the country that you're living, and then just go ahead and open them up. So say for example, Singaporean dollar right here. So we have opened up a Singaporean dollar balance account where we can go ahead and convert things from GBP into SGD. Now say for example, if we were to travel overseas, so like in Singapore, so how do we use the Wisecard? If you take a look at the card section on the bottom left right here, and then if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to see Travel Hub right here. So in this Travel Hub, you can go ahead and take a look what it is like to spend locally. Or say for example, let's go into Singapore right here. This will be what the conversion would look like. And as you can see, there is this option to go ahead and always choose to pay in Singaporean dollars. So what this means is this is an automatic exchange where if we have say 10 pounds in our GBP currency, and then we go ahead and use our Wisecard overseas and then pay something like 5 Singaporean dollars, then this will automatically exchange or do the conversion itself. So you should be able to see in terms of how much the conversion rate would be, and usually for the Wise conversion rate, it is much larger than your local bank. And as you can see on the third option, it says right here, spend like your home. So that means that if you go ahead and top up your GBP balance, then there will be an auto conversion right there. So there you are. As long as there is a balance in any of your account, you can go ahead and use your Wisecard overseas and the auto conversion will take place on its own. Or if you want to go ahead and do the conversion yourself, then you should be able to, say for example, go into GBP right here. There is this convert option, which is available to go ahead and convert once that you have some balance in your account. You can go ahead and choose which balance you want, and then you can go ahead and use this to start paying overseas. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.